Okay, today's video is kind of unique. It's a product review, though it's part of tech. All right. So I'm here to review the product I nearly bought, and that is Flash the High Speed SK USB 3.0. Okay, it's a 2 terabyte memory stick U disk flash drive. Sorry, I'm reading it from here so that I don't make mistake. Okay, I ordered that from Jumia, which is an online marketplace here in Nigeria. All right, so they delivered it to me today. So I want to make a review on that before unboxing before I start using it. All right, so because I feel this will be helpful to someone. Okay, so I've opened it already. How much did I buy it? I think I bought it about 10,000 naira. That should be less than $7. All right, so it's something affordable, though it's shipped from outside the country. All right, so it's when I ordered it, it was in another marketplace, so they shipped it down here. I think you can see that. Okay, so the rated voltage DC 15 volts. You may not be able to see it actually, but let me read it out for you. Then rated current 0.322 amp. All right, with stand voltage AC 300 volts slash 5 seconds. All right, install resistance 10 milliohms. Right, and conductor resistance 1 ohm. All right, so that's the specifications on this. But what is more important here is that it is 2 terabytes and it can be used on PC, it has on computers, it can be used on Android. All right, I don't know of iPhone, but here, from what I can see here, they say Android and Type C OTG can be used in mobile and computer. All right, so I think they're interested in Android and computer actually. Other specifications are interface USB 3.0. I've said that about before. USB connection, support hot plug and play. All right. USB service voltage 4.5 to 5.5 volts. No external power supply required. Support different types of OS. Windows 98, Windows 11, it works in Windows 11, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS 9, and Linux 2.4 or above. All right. The solid state storage, okay, is solid state storage. That's another feature. All right. Shock proof and electromagnetic proof. Write and delete protection switch. Durable data storage. The flash, the fast speed in write and read transfer, easy to read and read in high speed. No need to drive or power supply, just plug in. Okay, so these are the basic features of this stuff. All right, so let me just open this for you to see how it looks like. So I'm trying to open it. Okay, look at how it is. This is the flash drive itself. Okay, is what I call this silver color. Yeah, still. Okay, it's still. I love that. I saw a lot of positive reviews on the product, and that was what moved me to buy it. Together, the storage capacity. Okay, this is kind of a hanger. All right, this little stuff. So, and this one is holder. Okay, you can use it to hold it here. Connect both here so that you serve as a holder. You can pin it on your clothes, or you can have it on your shirt. All right. Then I think you can look at this one. Can you see that? Yes. So I think this helps to connect to phone when you want to transfer with phone. All right. So it's something cool. I like the packaging. Maybe with time, when I use it, I may come back here again and tell you whether it's good or not. This is just an unboxing video. Okay. Okay, you can connect this to this. Okay, you can see the connection now. What I did here. Maybe you want to use it on phone. Can connect. Let me detach it. Can connect this to this. Then plug this to your phone. okay, to the ports of your phone. Depending on the type of phone you're using, you can see this one have another type of port. You can plug it to another part, and you're good. So that's all I have to say on this. With time, when I start using it, if I have a positive experience, I'll come back here and give you feedback. All right. If it's negative, it talks out negative parts, I'll still give you feedback. But I feel it's something that will work fine. Thank you. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas. All right. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Okay. You can watch this video here to learn about the USSD hard drive review. Okay, it's still a storage. All right, so that you may be interested to get that one too. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.